Here I've got OnePlus Nord CE the second, and let me show you how to change date and time on this phone. So first of all, just reach settings, then find and select additional settings, and at the top of the list you will notice date and time. So click to open. And now you can smoothly switch off automatic date and time, and let's start with changing the time zone, then date and time. And that's it. As you can see, from now on we are in 2004 and it's 10 to 8. And that will be all. That's how you can manage date and time on your phone and your OnePlus. Obviously, whenever you wish to go back to automatic setup, just use this switcher. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.